Hi Walt, my name is Jeremy, and someone told me that you like exotic cars, so I'm going to show you mine. So this is a 2008 Lamborghini Gallardo. It is a rare color. It is called Verde Picus. It's kind of a light green. Might be a little bit hard to tell from the pictures. It is a Spider, so it's a convertible. I don't know why they call it a Spider, but that's what they call it. So it's convertible, and we'll walk around it here and take a little look at it. And then we'll take the top off, and you can see it with the top off. Hi Walt, thought we'd take a few more outdoor shots by the mountains. Hopefully you can see those beautiful mountains in the background there. And a couple more pictures of the car. So Walt, I hope you enjoyed that. So walk around the Lamborghini Gallardo in Verde Picus. And let you know, pray for you, buddy. And hope you get well soon.
That's the car door. You have to put your thumb on the big side and wrap your fingers around the handle. And when you get out, these windows have to go down or it will ruin the seal. So you don't open the door here. This is your exit button right here. That's what you open the door with when you're sitting in a Tesla. So that's what the car normally looks like. And I can open the trunk from here just by pushing that button. I can open, this has a front trunk, which is pretty cool because there's nothing in the front, there's not a transmission. And the other neat thing is there's no hump in the middle back in the back floorboard. You can see right here it goes straight across because there's no transmission. That's reverse, that's neutral, and then push it in, you go park. And once it goes into park, it kind of turns itself off and automatically engages the parking brake. So there's no parking brake for me to deal with. And there's no gears, it's just this one screen. Other thing, if you're camping, you can camp in these cars and turn it to camp mode and keep the heat on. Whoops. But you can have a nice fire in here too. This car can do something most cars can't. It can fart. And it's in the emission tab. And I can pick which seat farts. So we'll make your seat fart. It's really, so that's not a fart. Or you have a shorts ripper. Or a Falcon Heavy. Or you have a ludicrous fart. Or you have a neurostink, or a boring fart. And then you can set it on random so that it just does whatever it wants whenever. So you can pick the seat, and then I can say, right now it's kind of set on fart on demand, and I have to tell it to fart. But I can set it so it farts on turn signal. And you could have this set and show just your normal driving screen, and what would happen is every time I turn on my turn signal, so let's, well that's a random one, so that's good.
Walt, buddy, Walter. This is Jameson and Casey from 8080. Say hi, Casey.
What's up, man?
We are wanting to wish you pure strength in your battle against cancer. You got this, man. We just want to wish you all the best. From all of us at 8080, Casey.
Yep, we're all behind you. Pull through.
I mean,
wishing you the best.
Casey's sending all of his muscles to you right now, and I'm just sending you a big mouth.
We got your back.
That's all I got.
Stay
so
strong.
Stay strong, buddy. From all of us at 8080, keep up the good work, man. Just fight through it. You'll make it through it, and keep the positivity, brother. We got you, and get it done, man. Thanks again, buddy.
Hey Walt, my name is Bobby Land. Had a really special friend reach out to me and tell me you love cars, told me that you're fighting a winning battle, brother. We're all here to support you. I've put together a little something for you guys. And Walt, this right here, this is for you, brother.
Hey Walt, this is for you.
Hey Walt, this is for you. Get strong, be strong, and we're all here rooting for you. Hang in there, buddy. Love you.
Hey Walt, this is for you, buddy. You got it.
Hey Walt, this is for you, buddy.
Hey Walt, this is for you.
Hey Walt, this is for you.